So here are my thoughts about the keyboard. Overall, it's a really nice keyboard to type on. The ZDA or XDA profile was weird at first, but I got used to it over time. It's very similar to a flat keyboard or a laptop keyboard. So the keyboard kit came with clip-in stabilizers, which are pretty decent for what they are. But the only issue that I have with them is that whenever you try to take the keycap out, the stabilizers will also come out of the PCB. And that's not very big of an issue because you can just push them back in. I plan to replace them in the future, but for now they're pretty solid. I've been using this keyboard alongside another keyboard, so I haven't heard or noticed the pinging or hollow sound that some people refer to, but if I do notice it, I'll be sure to put some foam. Also, a review of that keyboard that I'm using will be coming soon, so make sure to look out for it. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a nice day.